Welcome back to Keywords Episode 4. Today our objective is to create one-step word problems. Alright, let's get started. Let's first go over our addition keywords. We have an all, both, combined, added to, more than, some, altogether, total, increase, additional, and raise. Let's go over our subtraction keywords. We have remainder, take away, dropped, minus, how many more, difference, less than, left, fewer, and decrease. Okay, let's first practice with a few word problems that I've put together for you. Go ahead and get out your whiteboard, and together we're going to go over these word problems. Then you're going to create one yourself. Okay, so we have Tyler has 203 pumpkins in his field. Katie has 189 pumpkins in hers. How many pumpkins do they have all together? Okay, so let's first circle those numbers that we're going to be working with, 203 and 189. Now take a minute and really look for those key words so that we know what to do with these numbers. If you said altogether, you're correct. Altogether is going to tell us to add. Go ahead and pause the video and add the two numbers together. When you're finished, start the video back up and we'll go through it together. Okay, so we're going to be adding 203 plus 189. We always start in the ones place. We have 3 plus 9. 3 plus 9 is 12. So we're going to put a 2 in the ones place and bring a 1 up into the tens place. 1 plus 0 plus 8 is 9, and 2 plus 1 is 3. So we have 392 pumpkins. Let's go on to the next one. Tyler has 203 pumpkins in his field. Katie has 189 pumpkins in hers. How many more pumpkins does Tyler have than Katie? Okay, let's circle those numbers. We know we're going to be working with 203 and 189. But this time the question is asking us something different. Can you find keywords to tell us what to do? If you said how many more, you are correct. These keywords are going to tell us to subtract. Go ahead and pause the video and subtract the two numbers together. Don't forget, the bigger number has to be on top. Okay, let's subtract. We have 203 minus 189. We always have to start in the ones place. 3 take away 9. I don't think we can have 3 take away 9. So we're going to have to go and borrow from the tens place. The tens place is a 0. Can we borrow from the 0? Nope. So we're going to have to go to the 2. We're going to make that 2 a 1, and the 0 can become a 10. Now the 3 can borrow from the 10 to make it a 9. And the 3 becomes a 13. 13 take away 9 is 4. 9 take away 8 is 1. And 1 take away 1 is 0. So we get 14 pumpkins. If you got this answer, you're correct. Let's move on to the next one. There are 148 turkeys in a field. The farmer bought 83 turkeys. The remaining turkeys were donated. How many turkeys were donated? Okay, let's find those numbers that we're going to be working with. We have 148 and 83. Now what are we going to be doing with these numbers? Take a minute to find that key word that tells us what we're doing with these numbers. If you said remaining, you're correct. Remaining is a subtraction keyword that is going to tell us to subtract 148 and 83. Go ahead and pause the video and start subtracting. Then play the video to see if you're correct. Okay, so we're going to be subtracting 148 minus 83. We always start in the ones place. 8 take away 3 is 5. 4 take away 8. We can't do that, so we're going to have to borrow from the 1. The 1 becomes a 0, and the 4 becomes a 14. 14 take away 8 is 6. If you got 65 turkeys, you're correct. Alright, let's practice one more together. There are 68 turkeys in a field. The farmer bought 83 more turkeys. How many turkeys do they have in all? Okay, let's find those numbers first. We have 68 and we have 83. What are we going to be doing with these numbers? Have in all is our key word. It's going to tell us to add. Go ahead and pause the video and add these numbers. Then start the video back up again when you're ready to check your answer. Okay, 68 plus 83. We have to first start in the ones place. 8 plus 3 is going to be 11. So we're going to put a 1 down at the ones and a 1 on the top of the tens. 1 plus 6 plus 8 is 15. If you got 151 turkeys, you're correct. All right, now it's your turn. We're going to go back to Classroom Google and we're going to make our own word problems. I'm going to show you right now. Okay, you should be back on our 3rd grade Classroom Google site. We have Tuesday, October 11th, Morning Work 4. Down here we have Google Sheets one-step word problems. Go ahead and click this. You're going to find your name over here and you're going to write under your name. You're going to write 1 addition word problem and 1 subtraction word problem. I'll start. I'm going to first make an addition word problem. I'm going to say, I bought 43 apples on Monday. On Tuesday, I bought 23 apples. Oops. How many apples did I buy in all? That go a little bit bigger. There we go. So that is my addition one, and then I'm going to make a subtraction one. Make sure you reread your problem when you're finished, because someone's going to be working on your problem tomorrow. When you're finished, you can move on to your next assignment. Nice work today using keyword problems and creating your own word problem.